In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Bitwarden master password. Resetting your master password is an essential task if you feel that your account security might be compromised, or perhaps you simply want to update it to something more memorable. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure everything is as straightforward as possible. Start by logging into your Bitwarden dashboard. Once you're in, focus your attention on the left side menu. Here, you'll find several options, but what you're looking for is the Settings section. Click on that, and a new set of choices will appear. From this drop-down menu, locate the Security tab. Don't rush this part. Make sure you're clicking on Security, because that's where we need to be to change the master password. After clicking on the Security tab, you will be presented with several options. What you need to focus on now is finding the Change Master Password option. Take your time to spot this, because it's key to proceeding with the password reset process. Now that you've landed on the Change Master Password form, you'll need to authenticate that you are indeed the account owner. To do this, start by typing in your current master password. You'll do this twice to confirm its accuracy. This step is crucial, as it verifies your identity and helps keep your data secure. Once you've entered the current password in both fields, it's time to decide on your new master password. This is a critical moment since this password will serve as the gatekeeper to all your valuable information within Bitwarden. I recommend choosing a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols, which you can easily remember. But remember, it should be something that others cannot easily guess. After you've decided on the new password, enter it in the designated field. At this point, Bitwarden also gives you the option to add a hint. This is particularly useful in case you forget your new password in the future. Make your hint something that will jog your memory without giving away too much information. Once you have double-checked that both the current and new passwords are entered correctly and you've decided on a helpful hint, you're almost there. All that's left to do is scroll down and click on the Change Master Password button. By doing so, you'll initiate the update to your Bitwarden account's master password. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Bitwarden master password. It's always a good practice to log out and log back in to ensure everything is working as it should. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Stay secure, and see you in the next video.